Okay, so in this video, I will explain really quick something about activity 8 and homework 8. So activity 8 is for the class. Remember, you have until the 6:30, I think, to upload your activity. And the activity is very simple. The first exercise, it's about forwards and futures. So it's similar to the video that I just did. Sorry, you have 8 contracts. You are selling the contracts. That means you have a short position, so be careful. And the size is 500,000 pesos. And the price is 10 cents of dollars, 10 cents of dollars per peso. Okay, so be careful with that. This means dollar and this means peso. So you should do the same as we did in the video about futures and forwards, when you calculate the value of your position at time 0 and then calculate the value of your position here, here, and here, and then only check if you are making a profit or a loss. But now be careful because you have a sell position, a short position. That's exercise number 1. And exercise 2 and 3 are about options. So in these exercises, you are going to do the table that I showed you on the video about options. And just be careful because in this one, on the second exercise, you have you are selling a put, okay? Sell put. So this is the thing that you are going to do. So you are going to do sell put, and you are going to draw the graph and identify all of this out of the money, in the money, at the money break-even point. And the same for this one. It has different data. This one is from Chinese yuan and dollar. This one was peso and dollar. And in here you have buying a call. Okay, so you are buying call. So be careful with that. Remember, read carefully. The exercises, I think, are very simple. If you did an Excel with me or something, I think you can just change the data. Be careful, take your time. If you are doing it by hand, take your time again. Be careful with what you are doing. I think it's only a matter of being careful. If you have a question or something, remember you can always come to Zoom. This is the activity and this is the homework, which is also very similar. Homework 8. Homework, it's only about options. So you have 2 options. No, sorry, 1 option. This is the exercise 1. This exercise, you have this option of US dollars and Swiss francs, and in this case you have to do the 4 possibilities: buying a call, buying a put, selling a call, or selling a put. So you will have to do 4 tables and 4 graphs. And in this one, in number 2, the second exercise, it's again about futures and forwards. Here I want to make a quick announcement again, or a quick note in here, because some of you might be confused, because here I give you time, and before I didn't give you time. I always skip time, and it says 180 and here it says 360. So as I said on the first video, don't think about time. We are only comparing the values against the positions. We are not caring about the value of money through time, because we don't even have an interest rate, so we can't even move it from the past to the future or whatever, or the present to the future. So you can skip this. The time, it doesn't really matter for the purpose of this exercise, and just do as you know. Even here it says spot rate at the day 2. Don't think about time, it doesn't matter. So in here you have 1 contract because it says a long, then you have a buying position, a long position, and then you have this price. Okay, this is the rate that you signed, $1.5902 per pound, and the size of the contract is 1,000 pounds, and then you have to do the simulation with all of this, and then you tell me if it's a profit or a loss, that difference. So I think it's very simple. Maybe you have to practice a lot. Maybe there are a few exercises, but it's easy, especially because you have Excel, so it should be easy for you to do the formulas and all of that. It's easy. It might take some time. Take your time. It's a very good practice. You will do a lot of this, so I think it will be a nice exercise for you to get ready for the exam. If you have any questions about the activity or the homework or the video, you can come to Zoom during the time of our class as usual. I will be answering to your questions. You can also send me an email or WhatsApp message. And I think that's everything. In the next class, we're going to see the very last thing about the course, and we're going to do one final practice, and you will have one final homework, and then we are done. Okay, so I think that's everything for today.